Morning folks, how we all doing? It's a cold one this morning, and that was a giant hole in the road. 4 degrees, and today we are going up Farm Muck. Today we are going along the old Lards Road, which is also the location of the Greenock cut. And what do we know about the Greenock cut? Not a lot as usual. The Greenock cut was a method of getting fresh water down to Greenock. There is a loch up here called Loch Tom, which was named after Robert Tom, the civil engineer who created the cut. And the cut is like it's like a small canal, but you can't actually put boats on it. It's very narrow, and it basically runs the water straight down to Greenock. Oh, ice. It's not a good sign. So this is the first ride of the year. And we've got the major Loch Tom, and then there's a few small reservoirs, I think. As I was saying, this is the first ride of the year, so I thought, well, we'll not go too far today. Make sure the bike's hunky-dory. Few walkers about here. So what I'll maybe do is I'll go along to the end of this road and then I'll come back again. I don't think I'll actually go down into Largs. I think that must be Loch Tom there. And that's one of the wee reservoirs. Crazy bit of road there. A wee bit here, I think I'll stop and I'll maybe try and get my drone going for the first time ever. Well, for me anyway. Right, and I'll see you all in a minute. If you see drone footage here, it means it worked. If you don't, it's in that loch. Right, let's see what else we can see. So there is a visitor centre for the Greenock Cut, which takes you up a kind of side road. The glen's getting a bit narrower here. And we're now in Northairshire. Oh, keep your eyes on the road. That's a gorge, a gully. That sun is right in my eyes. Eagle-eyed people who have seen my videos before, you will notice something different on my bike. I have a Beeline Moto sat-nav, which I'll do a review of later once I get a good play with it. However, it seems pretty good. It's nice and clear, just has the information you need. As in, go right at this point, go left at that point. Oh, there's a nice view. Start of the Scottish Highlands. If you can see that in the GoPro. Well, that takes you to the Greenock Cut Centre. Wonder if that's worth a look. Let's have a wee gander. That wee pond there is frozen over. Again, we're back at v-strom. Well, that was a wee visit centre, or visitor centre I should say. Had a wee cup of coffee, it's pretty nice. The guy in the cafe says there's a team of Harley riders coming up there this afternoon. So I better clear out of the way if they're coming up. Anyway, that's me refreshed, cup of coffee, let's head back down. It's a nice wee spot, crackery a day. It's warming up now, 5 degrees. I seem to have the habit of finding every single hole in the road and driving through it. What a view of the mountains over there. Well, that's pretty much it. Once I get down the hill here, it's all main roads and motorway. So I will leave you all now. Oh, look at that view. That's stunning. Oh, it must be lovely having a house up here. Right, okay, hope you enjoyed the video, and hopefully it won't be too long before I'm back out again, and I'll see you all later.